Hey guys, welcome back to Everyday Nurse. My name is Annie. I am a nurse and a mother of 5, and today we're going to be talking about the simplest, most effective detox you can do without having to go anywhere, without having to buy anything extra, and it's not juicing and it's not dipping yourself in anything or anything like that. Okay, it's going to be so simple. It's probably going to blow your mind a little bit if you allow it. The simplest, most effective detox you can do as a postpartum mama, because let me tell you, even if your body is clean, let's say you eat just right, you have zero environmental toxins, you just live like in this bubble of purity and eat the cleanest homegrown vegetables, animals, and all this kind of stuff, right? And you have no toxins you're putting in your body or applying on your skin. You make your own soaps and creams and everything. Let's say that's you and you only wear organic cotton. I mean, can you tell? Like, it just goes on and on and on. But let's say that's you. When you are postpartum, you're still going to need a detox. And if you've had a baby, you probably still need to detox. So what are we talking about detoxing if like everything else is just stellar, right? So when you're preparing to have a baby, the structure that holds your pregnancy together, that keeps everything going, is mostly your hormones. The internal chemicals that say, hey body, we're still pregnant, need more of this, need more water, need more amniotic fluid, need more stretch on the belly. All your hormones are playing together to maintain this pregnancy. And so when you're done and you've given birth and the baby's here, your body's like, hey guys, we don't need you anymore. Sorry, there's like a mass firing going on. The whole hormone company is like downsizing. And so it's just firing all these hormones, and like, where do they go? They're just loitering around in the bloodstream, which is like the parking lot, causing chaos. You can just imagine if a big company fired a ton of people, maybe 40% of its employees, and they're upset and they're in the parking lot and they're not going anywhere because the company gate is closed, so they can't exit the area. And they're upset, and so, they're squabbling, they're causing chaos. That's your hormones. That's your hormones. And when you're postpartum, all these hormones are still circling in your system unless they have an out. And that is the detox we're going to talk about. It's so simple. It's in your house. You have it right now. I hope you've guessed what it is. Okay, let me see. I'm going to give you guys clues on what it is, and I want you to try and guess. Tell me in the comments if you guessed it at clue number 1, clue number 2, or clue number 3. Okay, clue number 1. It doesn't taste bad, but it doesn't taste good either. Guess what it is? Clue number 2. You like it inside your body, but you also like it outside your body. Clue number 3. Your body is made up of over 70% of this. I think you guys got it by now. By now, it's water, right? Water. Water is the best detox. It's available for most people. It's accessible, clean, there. All you have to do is drink it. All you have to do is drink it. All you have to do is drink it and drink it and drink it. The postpartum period requires you to drink more water than your prepartum, i.e. when you're not pregnant, for several reasons. One of the reasons is because you're breastfeeding, and so there's going to be more water pulled out of you. Secondly, you're losing blood most likely, and your body, you want to just keep that balance, so you need more water. Thirdly, let's talk about, you're just thirsty, obviously, there's that. But the other reason is because you need to detox. The more you can wash the inside of your body, the more water you put inside you, the more you can wash the inside of your body. No, I am not talking about get a gallon and drink it all at one time. That's probably not safe. Please don't do that. However, I am talking about consistently consistently drinking a mouthful, drinking 2 mouthfuls of water, always having water by you, whether it's a bottle, whether it's a cup if you're at home, just a reminder, a visual reminder, alarm that goes off every 10-15 minutes, something that just tells you drink more water, please. Water is an excellent detox where you don't even have to change much else about your life during that period and still get a good cleansing, a good flush. You know, some of the postpartum issues like, you know, always feeling sweaty or not so fresh or even stinking up a little bit, those things can really be aided by drinking more water. Some of the other issues like really dry skin, itchy skin, of course those things are caused by hormonal changes in your postpartum period. However, it still is helped a lot by being hydrated. The more you drink, the more your body can spare for your skin and to keep you supple and to keep your mind feeling fresh, because dehydration can cause you to feel anxious thoughts. It can cause your mood to tank. Listen, you already have enough mood problems when you're postpartum. Can we just testify? Okay, just say me, yes me. You know, I've done this 5 times and I have enough mood problems when I'm postpartum because of lack of sleep, because of hormones, because of pain, you know, because of just being irritated, because of being stuck in bed. So I don't do well being stuck in bed. And so all these things are already working against you. Please don't let dehydration also pile up on top of that and cause you to have negative moods and like irritability and all this kind of stuff. Keep water by you. Get enough hydration. It'll really help with your milk supply as well. And that's just a positive side effect. It'll help with your hair, you know, so many things. I mean, water is just incredible. But right now we're focusing on its ability to detoxify your system. If you don't do anything else, please drink more water. Just sip after sip, mouthful after mouthful. Keep your body well hydrated. It will really do you so much good. You will be so thankful. Listen, this works even if you're not pregnant, okay? I mean, even if you're not postpartum, even when you're pregnant, even when you're not pregnant, we don't live in a perfect world. So that example about this beautiful, pure environment, it's just not the case. So you have something to detoxify out of your body. And if you would just drink more water, just drink a little more water. Just drink more than that amount of water. Keep pushing your boundaries until you're drinking as much water as your weight demands, first of all. The standard amount of water that's suggested these days is to drink about half of your body weight in ounces. Okay, so I am, I don't know, maybe I think I'm 127 pounds or something like that. So I would need to drink 63.5. I would need to drink 63.5 ounces. And that is, I'm going to have to look it up real quick. Give me a second, okay? Well, for me, that comes up to 7.9375. 7.9375 cups of water, which roughly is 8 cups of water a day. That's what I need. But if I'm in my postpartum period, I need more than that. And I can't quantify how much more, but sometimes significantly more, especially during those early days, again, where you're bleeding, sweating, you know, so that's another thing that happens during the postpartum time. You just sweat a lot. For some people anyway. No one's postpartum journey is the exact same, right? And so the more you're using the bathroom, the more you're peeing, the more water you should drink. Breastfeeding, more water. Sweating, more water. Flushing, toxins, extra more water, you know. So for me, it could go up to like 11, 12 cups a day of water because I need that extra bit. And let's not forget, yes, there is a little bit of water that we can count from the food we eat. So if you're eating fresh food, if you're eating soups, healing broths, you know, to help your body heal and all this kind of stuff, then yes, some of that water content is going to come from your food, your fruits and vegetables and all that. So add to your water intake. Just drink more water. It is the detox you did not know you needed. And I'm just going to say this because I know somebody can actually do this and is listening for a little bit more. If you're at that stage, you're not postpartum, you're not breastfeeding, this is not for the breastfeeding mamas. Close your ears. I'm one of them, so I'm going to close my ears too. I'm just kidding. You guys, I just crack myself up sometimes. Anyways, so if you're not breastfeeding or something like that, you can actually do just a water fast. You can just drink water for a few meals. You can skip a meal and just drink water. You can skip 2 meals and just drink water. You can skip 3 meals and just drink water. You can do a water fast. And this will so detoxify you. I don't recommend, if it's your first time, doing it, number 1, alone. Number 2, doing it for a lengthy time. For your first time, start slow. Do a meal, then do 2 meals. Then, you know, later on, maybe next month, do 3 meals. And then next month, do, you know, a day and a half or something like that. Just do it slowly so that your body does not go into like detox shock mode and stuff like that. I mean, listen, if you have health conditions, I'm not the person you should be listening to. You need to listen to your physician. But for someone out there who is just fine, nothing is wrong, you are okay to do whatever you want to do with your life anyway from your physician, you can try a water fast. I've done water fasts and they are difficult at first, very difficult by the second meal. And then by the third one, it's like, okay. Second day can be rough to begin with, you know, but it gets better. That's the point. It gets better. You get used to it. This is just what you can do if you want to do it. Just an extra sprinkle of information, water fast. So I hope you got a good takeaway from this. Drink more water. Please drink more water. It's the detox that you need. That's it. Don't get fancy when you don't need to. Yes, you can get fancy, but don't wait to detox because you don't have this, that, or the other, or can't go to this place, or, you know, all this social media stuff. None of that. Just drink water. Water. Let water wash you on the inside. All right, guys. I will see you in the next video. Please share this video with someone you think might really benefit from it. Postpartum mamas, drink more water. Everybody else, drink more water. Let's all just drink more water, okay? And be clean. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. This is Nurse Annie. Bye.